Maintenance with Mike. So today, we're back in the house today. It's still pretty cold outside. We're actually going to be changing out a Decora switch to a Decora dimmer. Decora is the type of toggle that this is. So we're going to put a dimmer on this. This is actually a three-way switch, but a lot of people don't know that you can put a dimmer on one location of a three-way switch. And when you set the dimming of that fixture, the dimming will stay the same whether it's turned on from the first or second location of that three-way. So let's get started. So once again, we'd like to advise everyone that, if you don't feel comfortable doing this, hire an electrician. Oh, cat's back. Oh no, here comes Kitty. Yeah, somebody's awfully annoyed that she's not in the video. So this is Samantha Bean, our little house panther. She's gonna help, okay? So you take off the cover plate to expose all the switches. This is the one we want to change. We're changing it to this is a Lutron dimmer. It's a slide type, so you set the dimming by sliding this bar up and down, and then it's just your standard on and off. And it is specifically made for dimmable LEDs and CFLs, compact fluorescent and LED. All right, so that's what we're gonna go with. Once again, turn off all the breakers, make sure the power is turned off for the circuit, not just the switch. Make sure the actual power is turned off. So you can see we have three different colored wires on this original switch: a white, a red, and a black. And if you look on the actual terminations, you'll see this black wire is connected to a different colored screw than the other two. These are a brass color, and this is like a black color. So if you look at where it's identified here on the actual switch itself, this is called the common. So you want to make sure that you remember that the black wire in this case is common, because in the instructions for this dimmer it shows that the common ties to the black wire of the actual dimmer. So this would come off here and tie to the black wire, and then red to red, white/red to white, and then the ground will tie to this terminal here. But let's give you a bit of a better picture here as we pull this off. So black is common, remember that. Pop these out. Grab some connectors. So remember what we said, the black goes to the common, so let's grab our linesman pliers. We will terminate the black to the black on here. We get twist, cut off the little piece there. Tighten it up good and tight. Make sure you don't see any exposed copper. Give it a pull, make sure it's on there. Let's grab the ground wire here. And then we'll go red to red. I find to get the nice twist on here, as you grab them, just don't twist them, pull away from the outlet as you do it as well. And it gives you a really nice wrap. Wire nuts are basically just a cover for the termination as far as I'm concerned. Oh, we were going to do red to red. My bad. We were going to do red to red, and then the so what I like to do is you pull a little bit away from you as you twist these, and it gives it a nice mechanical wrap. Consider the wire nut as just a cover. Mechanical protection should still be done with a set of pliers, not relying on the wire nut to hold it together. Again, when you twist, pull away from you. And that's it. So green to green, black to the common, which was labeled on the other switch, and the white/red on this switch goes to the white. And that's it. So we like to mount it the proper way up, and you can see that by the writing on the plate. We fold the ground wire back in the box first, followed by the other boxes. Followed by the other wires. And then looks like we're going to have to cut that off. These are always a bit tight to get in. We're going to pop these plates off on this side, and these are already cut. Basically you just bend the tab and they pop off, just to make sure that we have enough space. Beside the other switch, so we can get them all lined up properly. So let's grab the screws. Get those started. Of course, these are Phillips, not number 6 Robbie. We put these in the large oval holes because the small hole in the top is for the plate mounting. So we'll spin this down. always need a little tightening. By the looks of it. Let's have a look and see how this is lining up. So a little bit this way. These ones on this side haven't moved, obviously. There you have it. Pop these back on here. I always like them pointing up. Personal preference, up, to the side, whatever, as long as they're all the same. In my opinion, it looks a little better. And that's it. Hey, thanks everyone for watching another episode of Maintenance with Mike. That's installing a LED slide dimmer on a three-way switch. Three-way switch means it can be controlled by 2 locations. You only need to install 1 dimmer, and you need to set the level that you want. And then when you turn the switch on from either location, the lights will stay dimmed and set to that brightness. Thanks again for watching. If you like these videos, please share them with your friends, subscribe to our channel, and comments and feedback is totally appreciated as well. Try to get back to you with any comments as soon as I can. Appreciate you watching. Thanks again. Cheers.